Renewable energy refers to energy derived from natural resources that are replenished on a human timescale, making them sustainable and environmental friendly. Common examples of renewable energy in India include solar energy, wind power, hydropower, biomass energy, and geothermal energy. These sources are cleaner alternative to fossil fuels as they emit less pollution and greenhouse gases. These systems can be deployed in both urban and rural areas and are increasingly integrated with electrification for efficient energy use. Renewable energy in India. India has transitioned from a power deficit nation at independence to a power surplus country with over 4 lakh megawatt installed electricity capacity. Today, India is the world's third largest renewable energy producer. As of November 2025, total non-fossil capacity reached 262.74 gigawatt, accounting for about 50% of total installed capacity of 509.64 gigawatt. Sectors of renewable energy in India. India's renewable energy sector includes diverse sources contributing significantly to energy mix and sustainability goals across regions and economic sectors. Solar energy. India's solar capacity reached 132.85 gigawatt by November 2025, crossing the 100 gigawatt milestone in January 2025. Annual addition was 34.98 gigawatt, showing over 41% growth compared to the previous year, making solar the largest contributor. Wind energy. Wind capacity reached 53.99 gigawatt in November 2025 with 5.82 gigawatt added during the year. India ranks among the top countries globally due to favorable wind conditions in southern and western regions. Hydropower. Large hydro capacity stands at 50.35 gigawatt while small hydro contributes 5.16 gigawatt. India ranks fifth globally in usable hydropower potential through seasonal rainfall variability impacts generation. Bioenergy capacity reached 11.61 gigawatt, including biomass and compressed biogas plants. Over 800 biomass co-generation projects and multiple CBG plants contribute to rural employment and cleaner energy generation. Hybrid and emerging sources. Hybrid renewable projects including wind, solar and round-the-clock power system are under implementation with 59.24 gigawatt capacity ensuring reliable and continuous clean energy supply. Renewable energy in India significance. Renewable energy plays a crucial role in economic growth, environmental protection, and energy security while supporting global climate commitments. Reducing emissions. Renewable energy reduces greenhouse gas emissions significantly, helping India maintain low per capita CO2 emissions at 1.8 tons compared to higher global averages like USA and China. Energy security. Diversifying energy sources reduces dependence on imported fossil fuels and strengthens national energy independence, ensuring stable supply for a growing economic growth. Renewable sector attracts investment, accounting for nearly 8% of total FDI inflows in 24-25 and supports large-scale infrastructure and industrial development. Employment generation. Renewable energy projects, especially biomass and solar, create jobs in installation, maintenance, and manufacturing, particularly benefiting rural areas. Climate commitments. India achieved its COP21 target of 40% non-fossil capacity ahead of schedule and aims for 500 gigawatt by 2030 and net zero emission by 2070. Improved public health. Clean energy reduces air pollution compared to fossil fuels, lowering health risks and improving quality of life in urban and rural areas. Renewable energy in India initiatives. India has launched multiple schemes, policies, and reforms to accelerate renewable energy adoption and strengthen infrastructure. PM Surya Ghar Muft Bijli Yojana targets rooftop solar installation in 1 crore household with rupees 75,021 crore outlay benefiting over 18 lakh household and installing 14.43 lakh system by December 2025. PM Kusum scheme provides up to 60% subsidy on solar pumps for farmers over 9.42 lakh stand-alone pumps and 10.99 lakh grid-connected pumps have been sold, boosting rural energy access. National Green Hydrogen Mission aims to produce 5 MMT of green hydrogen annually by 2030 with incentives for 4,50,000 TPA capacity and multiple pilot projects in transport, steel and refueling infrastructure. Production linked incentive scheme boost domestic solar manufacturing, increasing module capacity from 38 gigawatt to 74 gigawatt and achieving nearly 144 gigawatt Annual manufacturing capacity. Ethanol blended petrol program. Ethanol blending increased from 1.5% in 2013 to 15% in 2024, saving rupees 1.26 lakh crore in foreign exchange and reducing fossil fuel dependence. Green energy corridor. Strengthen transmission infrastructure to integrate renewable power efficiently across regions and ensures grid stability for future energy demand. Renewable energy in India challenges. Despite rapid growth, the renewable energy in India sector faces structural, financial, and technological challenges that hinder its full potential. Dependence on coal. Transition from coal is difficult due to economic dependence in states like Jharkhand and Chhattisgarh and existing coal-based infrastructure. Financing constraint. India requires about rupees 2 trillion annually to meet 500 gigawatt target by 2030, while high capital cost and slow returns discourage private investment. Grid integration issues. Intermittent nature of solar and wind energy creates stability challenges. Current storage capacity of 219.1 megawatt hour is far below 411 gigawatt hour requirement by 2032. Supply chain dependency. India depends heavily on imports, especially from China, which accounts for over 56% of solar cell supply and over 70% lithium imports. Land and environmental issues. Solar projects require 4 to 5 acres per megawatt and wind 2 to 40 acres per megawatt, leading to land conflict, biodiversity concerns, and displacement issues. E-waste management. Growing solar installation will generate large waste volumes, making India the fourth largest solar panel waste producer by 2050 without adequate recycling systems. Way forward. Energy storage expansion. Developing battery storage, pumped hydro, and grid scale storage systems will manage intermittency and ensure reliable energy supply during peak demand periods. Optimizing land use, promoting floating solar rooftop installation, agrivoltaics, and use of wasteland can reduce land conflicts and improve efficiency in renewable deployment. Strengthening grid infrastructure, upgrading smart grids, integrating forecasting systems, and improving coordination across states will enhance grid stability and renewable integration. Financing innovations, expanding green bonds, improving contract transparency, and attracting global funds like Green Climate Fund can bridge financing gaps for larger scale projects. Promoting domestic manufacturing, reducing import dependencies through policies like ALMM and PLI schemes will strengthen supply chains and enhance self-reliance in renewable technologies. Global collaboration, strengthening partnerships through international platforms and technology transfer initiatives will accelerate adoption and position India as a global clean energy leader.